what's up, beware. Now that I need you, where are you now that I need you? Now that I need you, where are you now that I need you? She's a minute. Says I'm living fake, turning down into open. Can't deny it. I'm home all alone and my jaws start to open. Tell me here, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Can't find you anywhere. When you brought us out and near you, I was criticize. Where are you now that I need you? 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 I was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can't say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart. But it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see in your eyes, I can see in your smile, you're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much I love you.
Hello from the other side. Hello from the other side. Hello from the other side.
What day is it? And in what mind is clock never seems so light? I can't keep up, I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. There's something about you now I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful. Everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
I figured it out. Some mistakes of up and down, we meet in the middle. There's always room for common ground. I see what it's like. I see what it's like from day and night. Never together. 'Cause they see flames in a different light. Like us, they never tried. Like us. You and I, we don't wanna be like them. We can make it to the end. Nothing can come between you and I. Not even the gods above can separate the two of us.
'Cause it's you and me,
You and I,
all other people with nothing to do,
we don't wanna be like them.
to you
And I, we don't wanna be like them. Make it to the end.
you and me and all other people.
You and I. Come on, everybody.
Where are you now that I need ya?
Count your hands. Here we go.
Where are you now that I need ya? Where are you now that I need ya? Where are you now when I need ya? Yeah. Where are you now that I need ya?
With the EB Bands G-Force Poppers. G-Force fans. Let's give it up for Christian Bautista and Dennis Filio with our 5 Spotify Singing Bass Grand Finalists.
Alright, umpisa ka lang.
Isa ka lang? Jules!
Oo, yun ang sumalubong sa atin. Kantahan na pampulagaan namin sa inyo.
Yeah!
May Dennis Trillo na.
Aba!
May Christian Bautista.
Pero ay siyempre kasama pa yung mga ano, kasama pa yung 5 grand finalists.
Yes!
Ng Spotify.
Featuring Singing Bass! Andiyan si Maggie Lozano, Yasser Marta, Justin Smavy, Kyle Manalo, and of course,
Bago yan, eto muna kilalanin natin ang nakakuha ng pinakamaraming likes sa Facebook fanpage ng Eat Bulaga.
Sino?
Eto na. Nakaibiyan. Sino kaya?
Ang bilis naman!
Spotify featuring Singing Bass Dabarkad's Choice with 6,679 likes in Eat Bulaga's Facebook fan page is Singing Bass! Kyle Manalo!
Ang aga namang nanalo niyan.
Congratulations, Kyle, at mamaya isa-isang mga harana ang mga Singing Bass natin, mga Spotify Grand Finalists. Kaya humanda na sa level up kilig. Okay lang ba?
Okay na, okay.
Nakampas ko lang
Ay,
yung
hindi
sarili.
lang yan, ha? Ako, abangan nyo mamaya. Yung mga kaganapan sa kalye serye.
Ayun na nga, Tito Sen. Kasi nga, ang dami lang nagtatanong, may mga haka-haka na. Makikilala na ba natin si Jay?
Oo nga, sino ba yung Jake na yan? Ang ewan
Si
ko!
Jay! Si Jay! Sino nga ba yun?
Alam ko si Jake. Ang alam ko, yung Jake, katunog ng cake.
Siyempre, anak ka nagdala.
Lumakas yung kanta, nakakita ng cake.
Basta, sabay tayo mag-blow tatlo. Sabay tayong tatlo mag-blow. Ay, nag-fish na ako. 1, 2, 3.
Tito Sen!
Parang may parang nasa naso sa hangin ah.
Nakikibuga pa eh.
Speech! Oh, it's Spits. Thank you very much to my Eat Bulaga family who's all been my family for a long time. Ayaw sabihin. Ayaw sabihin. At sa lahat ng Dabarkads, maraming salamat po. Mr. T, thank you. Mother Malu, Puchi, Kumare. Tijen, sa inyong lahat, Dabarkads, salamat.
Marami ang kinilig sa boses at sa forma. Siguradong mapapahinto at mapapatitig. Humanda na sa Ultimate Harana Battle ng mga Pogi featuring Singing Bass, Matthew Lozano, Yasser Marta, Justin Smavy, Anthony Rosaldo. It's the grand final of Spotify featuring Singing Bass.
Mga Dabarkads, sumanda na po sa tanghaliang puno ng paghaharana at pagpapakiliig ng mga bays na hindi lang good-looking at nakaka-inlove ang singing voice. Dito sa Grand Finals ng
Spotify featuring Singing Bass!
5 Singing Bass ang magtatapat-tapat today para maging kauna-unahang grand winner ng Spotify featuring Singing Bass.
From thousands of auditionees, we are now down to our top 5 contestants.
Ano lang?
Oo nga, ang mga fans ng mga Singing Bass, todo ang suporta sa pambato nila!
Parinig nga ng sigawan ng mga fans ni Singing Bass, Mavi Lozano! Yasser Marta! Sino maganda mayaw? Justin Smavy! Kyle Manalo!
nagaganyan.
Judge number 2, award-winning actor at isa ring certified singing babe na for some reason napapagkamalang ako. Dennis Trillo!
Sino to?
Tanong mo na natin kung papayag ha?
At ang huli nating judge, actor and multi-platinum record artist, the Asia's romantic balladeer at isa ring bae, Christian Bautista! Kinilay lang tayo ni Christian. Ganun lang tayo. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Kilalanin natin ang unang singing bae na sasalang sa EB stage. Nicole, Chris? Uy, andito pa sila, ha?
Ano naman, nandito pa kami?
Nandito pa kami. Grabe siya, ha? At saka, ano ba, grand finals kailangan mahabang kulot. Saka, nagpa-pedicure ako.
Kahit hindi naman nakikita sa camera, talagang magdamag nagpa-pedicure.
Oo, pagdamag kasi nahirapan na.
Pero hindi ka ba naka-backless?
Nakabalot.
Pero bilis sumaba ng book ni Nicole overnight, umaba ka.
Ganyan talaga. Parang yesterday lang. Ganyan talaga kapag grand finals. Siyempre naman, sino bang unang sasabak sa ating grand finals for today? Unahin na natin si Mavi Lozano.
Ay, grabe, partner. Kanina pa lamang backstage, dinig natin yung mga nagmamahal kay Mavi Lozano. Ang daming nagsisigawan.
Ang daming naghihiyawan, ang daming nagsisigawan yung mga binatics. Naku, talaga naman. Wak-wak na po mga lalamunan kasi sigaw. Paglabas nila dito, confine sila. Kasi naman, kung idolo mo talaga yung grand finalist, bakit naman hindi? Alam mo, hindi makakalimutan ito si Mavi Lozano kasi sa lahat ng kanyang naging mga performances, meron siyang tatak Mavi sa bawat kanta.
Uy, ano ba yung masasabi nating tatak Mavi Lozano?
Yung tatak Mavi Lozano is yung chubby pero cute. Yung mga tipong, cute naman ang baby pots. Well, let me hold it. Parang ganon.
Sa Mavi, cute naman daw talaga. Cute naman daw talaga yung mga chubby.
Correct. O, diba? Chubby pero cute. At ngayon naman, sasabak na talaga sa Grand Finals. Mga Dapper Cats, eto na to sing Out of My League, ang singing bae ng Quezon City, Mavi Lozano.
Hello, Dapper Cats! Ako si Mavi Lozano, ang singing bae ng Project 8, Quezon City. Masasabi ko ako ay napaka-sincere na tao. I write my own songs, nag-iwan ng gitara, cook ako sa business namin. I started to write songs when I was 17. Doon ako nag-grow bilang musician. Lahat ng inspirasyon ko sa buhay, lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko na-express ko through music. Kahit saan kumakanta ako. Isa sa pinaka-paborito kong kanta ay kanta ni John Mayer, ang No Such Thing. Welcome to the real world, you said to me, kinda something me. Mga Dapper Cats, ito na pinakahihintay nating grand finals ng Spotify featuring Singing Bass. Abangan nyo ako dahil talagang ibibigay ko ng todo-todo ang performance ko. It's everlasting. That just we take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver. Running away. All the times I've said to see. Well, she fully comes to an end. As she presses her lips back to her eyes as she plays with me, sitting there spectral, nothing to say. You're so lovely, all that I am, and my patience alone with my hands. 'Cause you're all that I see, yeah, you're all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
true, seriously, but I'd rather be than all that. 'Cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I needed. Not around once again.
Yung sinabi niya kanina partner sa interview na he sings everywhere. Kahit anong ginagawa niya, kumakanta siya, di ba? Nakakatuwa.
At isa pang tatak Mavi partner,
ano yun?
yung ganong ayos ng buhok na bagong gising look,
correct,
ayos ng
ganun
buhok.
lang.
Oh, I woke up like this, pagpunta ko ng Broadway, ganito pa rin.
Oo, correct. I woke up like this look. Yan,
Parang ikaw lang, Nicole.
I woke up like this, bakit?
Hindi effort, hindi nag-effort ng ayos ng buhok. Parang ganyan yung buhok na napapanood ko sa pelikulang Jezebel dati. Oo nga.
Luma na, nagalata ko ng age mo. Ay nako! Ang susunod na sasabak sa ating Grand Finals, ito ang tatak niya, partner. Yung kanyang kilay at ang kanyang pilikmata.
Nako, Yasser, wag kang lalapit kay Nicola, weakness niya yan. Balita nga daw, part may book sa digsit yan.
Ay, makakaluma ka naman, partner, yung mga nababalitaan mo.
Bumulong siya sa akin ka, gusto mo pakita ko kay Nicole?
Kaya ako nilalagnat eh. Ito yung sinabi ko, partner, na kapag ka sa panahon ng sakuna, kakapit ka sa pilikmata niya kasi sigurado masasalba ka, di ba? Laking Saudi, commercial model, and is a first-year student taking up foreign service.
Wow, talaga may tsura na, talentado pa. Very promising ang bata.
Correct! Ako naman ang pagpapakitang gilas na siya para sa ating Grand Finals. Ito na po ang Singing Bay mula sa Marikina City to sing.
Basta't kasama kita.
Dear Singing Bay, Yasser Marta!
Hello, Dabbercats. Ako si Yasser Marta, Singing Bay ng Marikina City. Panganay ako, born and raised ako sa Saudi Arabia, sa Riyadh. Mama's boy ako, proud to be, and mahal na mahal ko talaga si mama. Ang favorite song ko of all time ay yung Paniwalaan Mo. Yun ang hinihele sa akin ng mama ko bago ako matulog. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo. Pinasok ako ng mama ko sa workshop. Then after nun, nag-try ako sumali sa mga band-band. Pinalad naman ako sa isa kong band sa school lang. Since bata, pangarap ko talaga maging artista. Gusto kong patunayan sa lahat na nandito ako ngayon at ipapakita ko ang kakayahan ko. Asahan niyo pong gagawin ko lahat para mapakilig po kayo.
Sandaling hanap kita, di makali hanggang muling kapiling ka. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta kita.
Marta.
Mamaya, si The Singing Bay, Justin Maybe, and Kyle Manalo naman, at si Anthony Rosaldo naman, ang magpapabilib at magpapabilib.
Nagbabalik tayo sa Ikura at kanina pa mga dabargas. Kung hindi nila napanood, nagpakita tayo ng Kalye serye kung saan si Yaya umalis ng malungkot at parang napapaluha. Bakit ba? Ano naman kaya ang dahilan?
Apo siya sa may desk. Social at desk. Sa desk.
Ang tanong, bakit ba malungkot si Yaya? Marami na namang Aldab fans at mga dabargas sa malulungkot din.
Saka ano connection ng desk?
Ano ba?
Desk talaga.
Because this is it!
Hoy!
Magbabalik tayo dito sa grand final ng Spotify featuring Singing Bay! Iba ng birthday girl! Ganun talaga yun! Kasi nararamp up si Bitoy. Dahil ito importante, makinig po tayong lahat.
Oh.
Ang criteria natin sa pagpili ng mananalong Singing Bay ay Bay looks, 50%, voice quality is 40%, at ang audience impact, kaya mga dabarkat sa mga pambati nyo, 10% for a total of 100%.
At tatlong Singing Bay pa ang mga haharana sa atin.
Ito na nga, Nicole and Chris, sino ang mga susunod ang perform?
Thank you, dabarkat! Ang maglalaban-laban para sa set na ito ay sina Justin Maybe, Kyle Manalo at si Anthony Rosaldo!
Grabe mga kaibigan, ito na grand finals na talagang lahat ng mga fans nila partner dumagdagundong ang buong Broadway, hapot kung hapot.
True, lalo at walang halong eklog. Unahin na natin, para matanggal na yung kaba niya, ha? Unahin na natin si Justin Maybe. Alam mo si Justin, partner, huwag mong inaano yan.
Bakit?
Eh, magaling yan sa martial arts.
Eh, ikaw na nga ano sa kanya eh.
Ay, hindi ko na siya inaano.
Sabi ko, "Uy, ano? Kunin ko nga yung number mo, ano?
Oo, kasi hindi pa ako. Haba ng legs. Marunong sa martial arts. At eto na malupit sa kanya. Half Pinoy at half European. Kung ikaw, partner, may dugong Woodloo.
Oh.
Ako may dugong reminded. Etong si Justin Maybe, halo-halo May Irish blood.
Aba,
May Norwegian blood.
aba, may Scottish
May
partner.
Scottish.
May Welsh.
May Welsh. At may German.
Aba, lahat yan.
Tapos nagma-martial arts. O diba? Talented na sa kanya na lahat. Gifted child.
Iba naman.
Ay, naku, nakakatuwa talaga.
Kaya pala sabi nga nila, sabi niya marami ng mga tagahanga pang mati ni Idol ang dating nito.
Correct, ang matinee idol type. Itong ating susunod na Singing Bay mula sa California, USA to sing Always Be My Baby. Here's Singing Bay,
Justin Maybe.
Hello mga Dabarkads, ako po si Justin Maybe ng Singing Bay ng California, USA. I've always wanted a pet snake. My favorite Filipino food is tosilong at halo-halo. The first Tagalog word I ever learned was charot. Yung lola ko, her dream is to see me on TV dito sa Pilipinas. So I would love nothing more to make her dream come true. And there's a lady who's sure. Yung favorite song ko ay Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin. That's a song that really got me into rock and roll. To heaven. To all of my friends, family, support me today on yung grand finals ng Spotify. Thank you.
We're as one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. Oh, babe, 'cause you don't be mine. I'll always be a part of me.
can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase the feeling that's strong. Oh, don't you know it's gonna shake me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. I know that you'll be back, babe, when your days and your nights get a little bit colder. Oh, I know that you'll be back, babe. Oh, baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase the feeling that's strong. No, don't you know it's gonna shake me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Justin's Maybe.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Oo nga, alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan. Meron din akong kaibigan na galing sa California, USA.
Oh.
Ang una niya ring word na natutunan is charot.
So, they find it interesting, partner.
Yes,
So, ibig
kasi
sabihin,
charot means a lot of things kasi, di ba? Ganun ka.
troll pa si Justin,
Yeah.
partner.
Na ano?
Oo, ay kakalurking. It means charot.
Yeah.
Charot.
Charot!
Marami
You
siya kami
know,
sabihin, it means charot.
It means charot. Alam, you know,
You mean charot to me?
Yeah.
yeah. It's like, you know, when you ride, it's a charot of fire.
Yeah.
Tama. Pwede rin kumain ng corn and charot.
Yeah.
Lumalawak vocabulary natin
Correct,
kaya.
or di naman kaya pag may sakit ka, kakain ka ng mainit na charot soup. O, di ba? Pwede!
Parang naglolo ko na lang tayo, kalahin.
Si Ruby talaga nag-umpisa na ito eh. Deskisit.
That's it, my segue, no? Ganun talaga yun, pagkasama mo si Pitoy, magra-rub off yan. Tama.
Kaya nagrarabog kasi rubbish siya.
Isabay mo na, bakit?
You already.
Bakit you will always be my baby ang kinanta ni Justin? Kasi nga, siya si Justin Maybe.
You will always be my maybe.
Yes. O, sige na, okay na. Okay na, boundary na kami. Sino susunod?
Ayoko
Yung
magbubog.
ating susunod
Okay pa
na
ako.
singing bay ay ang Dapper Cats Choice Award winner.
Congratulations, ha? Napakadaming tagahanga nito,
Alam
partner.
mo, nagdala talaga nito yung ilang beses na nilabas yung dila niya sa lahat ng mga naging performances niya.
Kaya nakakuha ng most number of likes.
Correct. Sabi ko nga dito, libre mo ako
Magaling siya magluto, partner. Pagluluto ka na lang niya.
Ano ba yan? Let's keep in touch.
Sinigang, partner.
Sinigang! Bakit nakasima niya sa akin? He's a fourth year MASCOM student. Talagang raring and roaring para makagraduate at para maging congacious na artist.
Well, good luck sa iyo ang ating singing bay number 4 to sing us passenger seat. Here is
Kyle Manalo!
Hello mga Dapper Cats, ako po si Kyle Manalo, ang singing bay ng Quezon City. Mahilig ako mag-freelance DJ. Mahilig ako magluto. Paborito kasi sinigang eh. Magaling ako magluto ng sinigang. Nagsimula ako kumanta nung second year high school ako. Influence ng friends. May group of friends po ako, kumakanta po sila palagi. Favorite song of all time is yung acoustic version ng One Time ni Justin Bieber. Cause girl, you want one love, one heart, one life for sure. I'ma tell you one time. And after ko kinover yun, inayusan ko pa na inayusan. Hanggang sa yun yung song na pinrefect ko. As in, yun yung pinagmamalaki ko. Yun na yung nag-iisang kantong yun. Kaya sobrang memorable sa akin. Mga Dapper Cats, nandito na po ako sa Grand Finals. Sisiguradin ko na bibigay ko na yung kaya ko. Bigay todo. Wala nang kaba-kaba. Diyan na eh. Kaya kailangan mo na ibigay lahat mo.
Look at her and have to smile. Cause we go drive driving for a while, her hair blowing in the open window of my car. And as we go to traffic lights, watch her glamour in her eyes turn to darkness in the evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can't take my eyes off the road, knowing that she's inches from me. But I know that this love grows, and I got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can't take my eyes off the road, knowing that she's inches from me. And I got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. No, and I can take my eyes off the road, knowing that she's inches from me. And I got all that I need right here in the passenger seat.
I'm sure mga Kyle-natics ay very proud kay Kyle Manalo. Thank you very much. Ang ating huling singing bay na sasabak sa Grand Finals. Ito partner siya yung nanalo sa Wildcard Edition kahapon. At sa lahat ng mga performances niya, grabe, sobrang intense, lagi siyang naiiyak, very passionate.
Kasi galing talaga sa puso.
Kasi sanay siya sumali sa mga singing contest.
Hindi ako partner from the very first day, from the elimination round pa lang,
Correct
down to
ka.
the wildcard edition.
Tama.
Nasaksiyan natin lahat ng mga performances ni Anthony
And
Rosaldo.
we saw how emotional he was. Diba? Bonggang-bongga.
Ikaw na talaga.
At ang cute niya kasi sa gitna ng lahat, he loves watching horror movies. O, di ba? Parang galing, no? Nanonood ng horror movies pero magaling kumanta.
Tsaka umiiyak.
Oo, at saka umiiyak. Lagi may puso sa pagkanta.
Well, pag sige tayo tumaang bumaba, natatawagin talaga tayo. Yung pala yung sinabi mo, tawan-tawa na kami sa'yo.
Ako naman curious tuloy sa tawa ni Nicole. Gaano katagal ko na-hold yan? Meron ba parang mga happy birthday to you na?
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero ang natatandaan ko lang, sabi kasi sa akin dati, nung nagtitrain sa akin, kahit kailan hindi daw makaka-develop ng laughter, kahit kailan daw. Ay, na-challenge ako.
Pugo talaga yun.
So, ang laptop na nade-develop.
Dapat magkaroon tayong contest eh, no?
Hindi, buti nga ang laptop na nade-develop eh.
Ayan na, oh.
Ayan talaga. Sorry.
Sino po ang susunod?
Sorry.
Ruby!
Ano ang gusto natin sa mga dumber cats eh?
Salamat, Ruby! At eto na, to sing How Did You Know? Eto na po ang pambato ng Valenzuela City Singing Bay, Anthony Rosaldo.
My name is Anthony Rosaldo. I'm singing bay ng Valenzuela City. Nagsimula akong kumanta nung nasa grade 3 ako. Simula nung nagdira-diretso na. Minsan isang gabi, nagising na lang ako na kumakanta ako. Siguro kasi buhay ko na yung pagkanta. So kahit tulog ako, kumakanta ako. Ang inspirasyon ko sa pagsali sa Spotify, ang mga magulang ko, gusto kong makita niya na unti-unti natutupad ko yung pangarap ko na yung lahat ng pinaghirapan ko sa over the years sa pagkanta. Pinaka-favorite song ko of all time is The Man Who Can't Be Moved ng The Script. Moving, I'm not moving. Mga Dabber Cats, samahan po ako para sa video ito mula sa aking puso.
So well, the day
came, you had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Whoa, I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. That's what I'm really trying to say. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you.
Intense talaga ang labanan. Sino kaya among Kyle, Justin, or Anthony,
Maddie?
at si Yasser ang magiging kauna-unahang Spotify Grand Winner?
Grabe, actually kayong lahat, mga celebrities na kayo, yung mga nakapasok sa grand finalist natin, masasabi natin na kayong lahat ay mga celebrities na
Tama.
in your own right.
Alam mo, ang pinaka-nahirapan talaga sa lahat sa pag-judge si Valin. Pero
Pinapahirapan si Valin,
si
oh.
Valin talaga yung talagang intense na nagja-judge kanina. Ayan. Good luck sa ating mga grand finalists. Muli ako po si Nicole Ingala.
At ako naman si Cambio Henry Chuber.
Na nagpapaalala, una magdasal ka para mabuhay ka, pangalawa mag-toothbrush ka para mabuhay naman iba. Yo! Maraming salamat, Nicole and Chris. And of course, ang ating mga judges, Valin, Dennis, and Christian. Alamin natin ang kanilang masasabi tungkol sa ating mga Spotify featuring Singing Bass. Let's start with Valin. Ladies first.
Okay, una sa lahat, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na you guys made the right choice for asking me to judge.
Of course!
Spotify.
Ganun talaga.
You're so qualified.
Oh, sobrang yung credibility ko as a singer. So, I'd like to make a comment. Being
Don't
a
forget,
singer.
importante ang bay looks.
Oo, di ba? Yun ang yung sasabihin ko, ang gwapo ng lalaki. Pero mas gwapo tong dalawang katabi ko. Oo, kasi nagustuhan ko sila kasi sila lahat, hindi sila natatakot na ipakita kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman nila with the use of their songs. So, plus points yon as a girl. Kayo.
Thanks, Valin. Dennis?
Kaya nga, lahat tayo, kamo tayo na ulo, as a girl. Tama,
Okay,
As a girl too.
Ako lang kasi babae dito, kaya ako lang sasalubin.
Oo. Sagot na ni Valin yun.
Sagot ni Valin yun.
Dennis, anything to say?
As a guy, as a
Ako
guy.
naman, gusto ko na silang i-congratulate ngayon pa lang. Alam ko lahat sila kinakabahan pero pinaghandaan nila yung mga performances nila kaya naitawid nila ng maayos. Kaya good luck and congratulations.
Thank you, Dennis. Christian.
Yes, congratulations sa inyong lima. Na-witness naming lahat ang pag-grow nyo sa pagkanta, the way you look, your confidence on stage. Ito na ang finals. So we wish you the best. You did your best. Merong mga ups, merong mga downs, pero sa amin na bahala kung sino ang magiging champion. Pero after this, you are all champions sa puso namin. Congratulations. God bless you guys.
Yun ang pinakamahirap na gawin. Kaya maraming salamat sa ating mga judges. Thank you very much.
Once again, mga Dabber Gods, our 5 Spotify Grand Finalists. Singing Babe, Mavi Lozano of Quezon City. Yasser Marta of Marikina City. Justin Smaby of California, USA. Kyle Manalo of Quezon City. And Anthony Rosaldo of Valenzuela City.
Mamaya lang malalaman na natin kung sino sa kanila ang tatanggap.
Hi! Dabber Gods! Alala, sa Lunes nga pala, first weekly finals na ng Dancing in Tandem. Mga kambalang maglalaban sa dance floor, kaya abangan nyo sila. At mamaya rin, Sabado ngayon, 6:30, Pepito Manalo.
Abangan ko yan.
Abangan nyo rin yan.
Ito na. Total na, kilala na natin si Jake. Sasamantalahin ko na rin sa lahat ng Aldab Nation, Dabber Gods na bumati sa akin ng happy birthday. Thank you very much. At kay Miss Vicky ng Fernando's Bake Shop, thank you very, very much for the cakes.
Ang tanong, sino kaya ang magiging kauna-unahang Spotify Grand Winner?
Oh my gosh!
Eto na, magkakaalaman na, will it be Mavi Lozano of Quezon City? Yasser Marta of Marikina City?
Justin Smaby of the USA? Kyle Manalo of Quezon City? Or Anthony Rosaldo of Valenzuela City?
Tinago sa ano eh, hidden treasure.
Teka, tinago ko para walang makakita. Anong Bitoy? Bitoy, doon ka.
Totoo, walang nakakita talaga sa akin.
Oh my God. Ano ba yun?
Share naman! Share! Dito tayo!
With an average score of 92%. Oy! Taas! Our Spotify's.
Ano kayang nangyari kay Alden? Anong mangyayari kay Alden sa anak? Umuwi ka na, anak!
Anong kinalaman ni Alden dito?
Kasi siya ang original pambansang Bay.
Ayun, okay. At dahil nga hindi natin alam kung anong nangyari kay Alden, alamin na lang natin kung sino ang ating winner. Okay? Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Singing Bass, handa na ba kayo? Eto na, with an average score of 92%, our Spotify featuring Singing Bass Grand winner is... Mavi Lozano! Mavi Lozano, congratulations!
Ikaw! Congratulations, Singing Babe, Mavi Lozano! Our very first Spotify Grand winner! Meron kang
$250 at Grand Video Symphony 2.0. Okay, eto pa. Parang
Congratulations, Mavi! Maraming salamat sa iba nating Singing Bass. Gusto ko yung pagka-announce, pa yung camera, sabi niya parang, ano nangyayari?
Maraming salamat din sa ating mga judges. Thank you, Valine. Thank you, Dennis. And thank you, Christian. Once again, our Spotify featuring Singing Bay Grand winner, Mavi Lozano!
Just take me away. I got a feeling that I'm falling for you. Makes me shiver more than all the times I have said the same. And she fully goes around. And she pushes her lips better as she plays with me. Sitting there, such all and nothing to say. 'Cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes around my hands. 'Cause it's bound to be so strange. I'll never be without her. 'Cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Congratulations, Robbie Rosado!
Ang kauna-unahang singpay natin.
At mga Dabarkats, congratulating na rin natin si Ryan Agoncillo at si Judy Ann Santos. Oh yes, wakas! Lumabas na rin si Luna! Welcome to the world, Luna!
We hope to see you soon,